Good morning. It's Friday morning out here in the gym, and we've got a shoulder workout this morning. So we've got seated barbell shoulder press as our main lift. It'll be at 4 sets of 8. We're in the hypertrophy phase. I'm going to start out at 65 pounds. That's where I started last week at 3 sets of 10. So we'll hit that, and then we'll put on 75 because that's what I did for 3 sets of 10. And maybe we will try 80 or 85 pounds. Not sure if I'll use the micro weights, the 2.5 pounders, or not. We'll see how 75 pounds feels, and maybe we'll make note from there. So anyway, after seated shoulder press, we've got lateral raises and front raises, and then we've got our grip work with the wrist curls and reverse wrist curls with the easy bar, and then of course we've got our PT shoulder stretching. So not going to give up that shoulder stretching. My shoulders are just feeling better every week still. They feel better. Even just, I was noticing this week, just getting up over my head with my shoulders is much better even this week. Well, not much compared to last week, but much better. So anyway, can't stress that enough. I'm happy about my shoulders getting better. So anyway, let's hit this old workout. After we hit the workout, we'll head out on a walk. Again, I've been saying every day, walk only. Gonna save on the knee, rather work out and not have knee aggravation than have it. If I have it, it inhibits my work in here. I don't like that. That's kind of a bummer. So anyway, head out on a walk, come back and chat. We'll be done Friday. We're done with Friday's workout. So we have Friday on the road now. Let's get her done. Here we go. This is Sojourner Vision. Welcome to the channel. My name's Russell. So let's get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Let's do it. Here we go. That does it for Friday's workout. So we've got our week 5 weight workouts in the books. They are done. One more day tomorrow. Last week I took a break because of my knee. So tomorrow we have the active rest day, or ab burner day is what I call it. 15 1-minute core exercises. So yeah, we'll be in tune for that. So today's workout, yeah, the shoulders, they went well. 4 sets of 8, did 65 on the first set, 75 on the second set, and 80 pounds on the second 2 sets. So yeah, I opted for the micro weights, the old 2.5 pounders, to make it 80 pounds. And rarely use those, but shoulders is one of those where you're down at a lower weight and 5 pounds makes a difference. So whereas mostly, definitely legs. Sometimes I don't even use the 5s with legs when I get up there. We just use the 10 pounders a lot of times. So, because you can't really tell the difference, at least whenever I get strong. I'm not there right now, but when I get strong and my legs are pumping up and you know, I forego the 5 pounders and just use the 10s. Anyway, that's a different story. So yeah, we got shoulder press done. Auxiliary work, the old front raises and lateral raises, that went well. Same weights, 12 pounders for the lateral raises and 15 pounders for the front raises. So not seeing an increase in those anytime soon. Those were all good workouts. You know, the shoulders feeling good, not gonna insult them. And then we moved on to the grip work, the old wrist curls, and that was a good workout. Actually, the wrist curl, not the reverse, but the wrist curl, yeah, those were kind of intense. I don't know what's the difference this week than last week, but maybe I'm doing them more correctly this time. So I did hang my arms over a little further so my watch didn't hit on my knee. I didn't want it to hit the buttons and accidentally trip the fact that I finished my lift or not. So, but maybe that was the difference. Maybe you get more work when you have them extended out further. So yeah, anyway, got that done, and when we moved on to the PT work, shoulder PT felt good. Always does afterwards. And then we went on the walk. We hit 14:36 or 14:38 for a mile, 1.35 miles. So yeah, 14:36, so mid 14s now. So that was good. Good walk. So anyway, like I say, that gets Friday done. We'll be out tomorrow for the ab burner and walk. I've got my Garmin challenge this weekend. Have to walk 3 miles at some point. Usually I do it on Fridays, but we're so busy at work. I'm just trying to get in, get my stuff done, and get everything ready, and get my work day started so I can catch up with things. I don't know. I don't see the stuff I need to do getting done before when it needs to be done next week. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. We'll get through that. So yeah. All right. Well, this is Sojourner Vision. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. I'm telling you, it'll be good for you. Whatever it is, doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be this or anything I do. Get up, walk outside. Walk outside for 2 minutes and come back. I mean, whatever you need to do. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend. Take care. Be safe. See ya.